Alrighty, let's see. A student measures the frequency to be 120 hertz when the length of the pipe is a quarter meter, 1.4 meters. The density of the air in the pipe is 1.3 kilograms per cubic meter. Determine the value of K for air. Here we go. Okay. So this C is the wave speed. Okay. So we're going to find the wave speed, right? So I'm going to write this in like this, right? So it's K over the density. Okay. They're using C for the wave speed, which just gives me a rash. Okay. The velocity is also frequency times wavelength. Okay. And then you can do, you can figure out we know the frequency is 120, right? The wavelength you can figure out because it's this guy, right? We can do this. We know that this is 1.4 meters, assuming that no part of the wave sticks out of the pipe, right? Isn't the whole wave actually, it's twice that, right? Okay, so we know the wavelength. We can do that from standing waves. So you can find the wavelength, you can find the frequency, right? You can multiply those together and get the velocity. And the velocity is between 330 and 340 meters per second. Okay, so now we've got that. So now we have this value. We have this value. Solve for that value. It's going to be big. It's like something times 10 to the fifth. Okay, now the question is, what the heck are the units of K, right? So let's do a little math here, right? Okay, C squared equals K over rho. So therefore, K is going to have the units of C squared times rho. Okay, rho has these units. They tell them to you, right? So plug that in for that. Okay, and then you have to cancel units. And then C, of course, has the units of meters per second, right? Plug that in for C. Don't forget to square them, so it'll be meters squared per second squared when you put it in here, right? And then cross off, get your units, cross them off, do unit cancellation. You'll end up with 3 different units. You'll have kilograms, seconds, and meters. Okay, and then when you do it, if it's, say, meters per second, which it's not, you're going to write it as meters seconds to the minus 1. Okay, when they say do SI units, they want you to do all the things that are in the denominator as negative exponents. Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's got one exponent is just 1. That is, you don't have to write it. One of them is -2. The other is -1. And there's kilograms, and there's meters, and there's seconds. Okay. Yeah. All right.